What if I told you that the man who got rejected from 30 jobs, failed multiple exams, and couldn't even get hired at KFC, eventually became one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world? This is the story of Jack Ma. And today, I'm sharing his ultimate blueprint for students and young people who want to truly succeed in life. This isn't theory. This is real, battle-tested wisdom from someone who rose from nothing to everything. If you're ready to stop fearing failure and start building your future, listen closely. Let's begin with your 20s. Society tells you to play it safe in your 20s. Get a degree. Get a stable job. Avoid mistakes. But Jack Ma, he says, do the opposite. This is the time to fail. To fall. To take the punches and get back up. He was rejected by Harvard 10 times. Even KFC didn't hire him. And his first 2 businesses, complete failures. But those failures became fuel. Every no made him stronger. Every door slammed in his face taught him how to build his own. He says, before 30, follow a good boss, not a good company. Why? Because the boss shapes your mindset. The company just gives you a paycheck. In your 20s, learn. Fall. Grow. This is your training ground. Now. Your 30s. This is the decade where you must find yourself. Jack Ma says between 30 and 40, you need to decide, am I working for someone else's dream, or building my own? This is when the window to take bold, calculated risks is still open. If you've got a dream, chase it. If you want to start something, now's the time. Because by 40, the weight gets heavier. The clock ticks louder. From 30 to 40, it's about choosing your path. And owning it. Now comes your 40s. The decade of mastery. Jack Ma is clear, from 40 to 50, don't chase everything. Focus on what you do best, and master it. He didn't try to become the best engineer. He wasn't a tech genius. But he was a visionary. He understood people, strategy, leadership. So he led, and let his team shine where they were strong. He says, do things you are really good at. That's the secret in your 40s. Sharpen your sword. Drop distractions. Double down on your strength. Then, your 50s. By now, your job is no longer to compete. It's to build others. Jack Ma says, from 50 to 60, shift your focus to training young people. Your value now lies in your wisdom, your experience, your mentorship. Not your hustle. Help the next generation. Guide them. Inspire them. That is how your legacy lives on. Because here's the truth. Success is changing. In the past, it was about memorizing, competing, winning. But now, machines know facts. AI can solve problems. But machines can't dream. That's why Jack Ma says, teach kids creativity, imagination, collaboration. Because that's where the future lies. In ideas, in innovation, in heart. So, let me leave you with this. Jack Ma was rejected, mocked, ignored. He had every reason to give up. But he didn't. He failed forward. And now, he's proof that no matter how you start, you can still finish strong. This is your time. Don't fear the fall. Don't run from rejection. Learn. Build. Lead. Create. Inspire. Because the journey to success is not about where you begin. It's about how far you're willing to go. Right pointing finger emoji. If this message fired you up, like the video, subscribe for more powerful content, and share this with someone who's still searching for their purpose. Let's rise together.